Get every job done faster and smarter with the 18-in-1 wire stripper and multi-tool pliers. This compact, foldable electrician tool is designed for both home users and professionals who need reliability, convenience, and versatility in one powerful hand tool. Built to handle multiple tasks, this all-in-one tool functions as a wire stripper, wire crimper, screw cutter, and wire tester, eliminating the need to carry multiple tools. The precision cutting blades and stripping slots make electrical work clean, accurate, and efficient every time. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in demanding work environments. Whether you are fixing household wiring, working on DIY projects, or handling professional electrical tasks, this tool is built to keep up. Comfortable to grip and easy to use, the 18-in-1 wire stripper and multi-tool pliers delivers power, flexibility, and convenience in one compact solution. Upgrade your toolbox today with this must-have electrician tool, available now on Amazon for just $28.99.